Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss some problems related to circles which are very important for JEE Mains exam. See that the equation of the image of the circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 12 equal to 0 by the mirror x plus y minus 1 equal to 0 is. First, we have to draw the diagram according to the given problem. So first given circle, this is the given circle, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. Write the center and radius. C is equal to 3 comma 2 and radius r equal to square root of 9 plus 4 minus 12 which is equal to 1. Center of the circle means minus x coefficient by 2 minus y coefficient by 2. So this is the center C of 3 comma 2 whose radius is equal to 1. Find the image of the circle. This is the given circle and it by the mirror line x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. That means this is the line x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Draw the diagram here. This is the mirror image of the given circle. So here we don't know the center of this required circle. This center I am assuming that h comma k. Whenever it is mirror of this circle, radius is obviously equal to 1 from here to here distance. So I need to calculate h comma k coordinates by using given circle center. x1 y1, that means h comma k is the image of this point with respect to mirror x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. This compare with ax plus by plus c equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 1. So center of the required circle is h of h comma k and radius is obviously we got it as 1. So how to get that image by using image formula? H minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. What is x1 y1? x1 y1 means center of the first circle. So h minus 3 by a value is 1, k minus 2 divided by b value is 1, minus 2 into ax1 plus b by 1. In place of x comma y, substitute 3 comma 2. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 minus 1, 4. Divided by 1 square plus 1 square, 2. So here 2 get cancelled. By equating these two, h is equal to, h minus 3 is equal to minus 4, k minus 2 is equal to minus 4, h is equal to minus 1, k is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the required circle center h of h comma k is equal to minus 1 comma minus 2. So radius is 1, center is h comma k. We know that equation of required circle x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. X minus of minus 1 whole square plus y minus of minus 2 whole square equal to 1 square. X square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y plus 1 plus 4. 1 get cancelled plus 4 equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle which is image to the given circle, which is this option is there in the first. Next question. If y equal to 3x is a tangent to the circle with center 1 comma 1, then the other tangent drawn through the point 0 comma 0 to the circle is. These are the options given. By observing the options, all are passing through the origin. First, you draw the rough diagram according to the problem. In most of the questions in circles and parabolas, you draw the rough diagram according to the problem. Circle they given, whose center is given, that is 1 comma 1, and y is equal to 3x line. Y is equal to 3x means 3x minus y equal to 0. This line is tangent to the circle. With radius we are assuming that r. Whenever line touching the circle, radius is always equal to perpendicular distance. Now 3x minus y equal to 0 is a tangent to the circle, then r is equal to d. That is r equal to d means perpendicular distance from 1 comma 1 to this line. Mod in place of x comma y 1 comma 1 substitute 3 minus 1 divided by square root of 3 square plus 1 square. 2 divided by root 10. Therefore r is equal to 2 by root 10. Radius value we got it. After that, another tangent drawn through the point 0 comma 0 to the circle 0 comma 0. But we observe that 3x minus y is also, it is in the form of y is equal to mx. That line is also passing through the origin. Therefore the line y is equal to mx we are assuming and passing through this point origin. This line is also tangent to the circle, so r is equal to d. Here also we have to apply same. Let the other tangent be, let the other tangent y is equal to mx, that is mx minus y equal to 0, and it touches the circle, then radius is equal to perpendicular distance, that is r value we have 2 by root 10 is equal to mod perpendicular distance from 1 comma 1 to this line. Y is equal to mx means mx minus y. So m minus y value is 1 divided by square root of m square plus 1. Cross multiply 2 root of m square plus 1 is equal to m minus 1 mod into root 10 squaring on both sides. That implies 4 into m square plus 1 is equal to m square minus 2m plus 1 into 10. All the terms we can take this side. 10m square minus 4m square minus 20m plus 10 minus 4. No, plus 6 is equal to 0. So 6m square minus 20m plus 6 equal to 0. 3m square minus 10m plus 3 equal to 0. Factorization 3m square minus 9m minus m plus 3 equal to 0. 3m into m minus 3 minus 1 into m minus 3 equal to 0. So 3m minus 1 into m minus 3 equal to 0. So m equal to 3 comma m is equal to 1 by 3. If we take m is equal to 3, then the tangent will becomes, then y is equal to mx, that implies y is equal to 3x. Y is equal to 3x, it is already the line, y is equal to 3x. So this is also correct answer, but it is not required one. If m is equal to 1 by 3, then y is equal to mx, that implies y is equal to 1 by 3 into x, that is x is equal to 3y. X is equal to 3y, it is there in the first option.